welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. This is a praying mantis that you're viewing. In various cultures, seeing a praying mantis symbolizes different things. It could be considered good luck. It also could symbolize power of stillness, balance in life, calmness, intuition, and patience. Shortly thereafter, I decided to go into the hospital, and you will be able to see how I looked when I first went in. I had abdominal cramping and also muscle spasms. They went ahead and gave me a gown and said they were going to do a full workup. And they gave me these drinks for a CT scan with contrast. The second one was a bit much. It is sugar free, but it was very sugary. I have a heel warmer because I had a major muscle spasm down the left side of my leg, and now I'm cold. I already had one blanket, but the nurse went ahead and brought two warm blankets because my room was the coldest on the whole floor. I was released later on that night, and I have a UTI and diverticulitis, which probably explains why I have an aversion to meat and I cannot eat any type of meat or seafood. Because originally I went into the hospital because I had severe abdominal cramping after eating Captain D's. That morning, I felt a little bit better and I had a little bit of energy. And so you can see Mr. Sailor's uncle giving me a quick training on how to use his riding lawnmower. So enjoy. After doing the front and the back lawn, I took a shower and went outside and saw this beautiful butterfly. Mr. Sailor saw the outfit and said, "Wow, you look like you're going to fly away." And I told him before I stepped outside that I wanted to represent a beautiful butterfly, a butterfly that was blue and black. And look what God sent me.